In the vastness of the solar system, few celestial bodies capture our imaginations and desires as much as Mars, the red planet. For centuries, humans have gazed in wonder at Mars, creating myths and theories about its mysterious surface. As our technology has advanced, we have launched probes and rovers to unlock the secrets of this Earth's closest friend. What we discovered exceeded our wildest dreams, revealing a world of amazing landscapes, ancient ruins and mysteries that challenge our scientific understanding. But as we travel deeper into the surface of Mars, we ask ourselves, are we really prepared for what lies ahead? Join us as we journey to discover the most fascinating and unexplained phenomena of Mars, a planet that continues to fascinate scientists. Almost no other planet in our solar system is as close to Mars. The celestial body is not only one of the most famous, but also one of the most studied planets in our galactic neighborhood. The more intense the exploration of the surface of the alien body, the more unknown regions disappear from the map. However, the groundbreaking discoveries we have made on the red planet in the past have not included discoveries that can still be put into an explanatory context by experts. During many missions to Mars, many photos were taken of mysterious structures that are very different from their counterparts on Earth. These are the most beautiful features on the red planet that we want to look at in detail today. Korolev crater is a classic example of the complexity of the Martian landscape. Like many other planets in our solar system, Mars is characterized by spectacular collision sites. However, Martian craters sometimes flow differently from their terrestrial counterparts. Among them, the Korolev crater is one of the most beautiful and mysterious among them. This huge structure, with a diameter of about 50 miles, is unusual not only because of its size, but also because of the nature of the environment inside. A large pocket of cold air has formed in its center. Held by the crater's high outer walls, which rise 1.2 miles deep, this pocket is unlike anything else on Earth. Cold air and a 3-mile thick layer of water particles create an environment where temperatures stay cool year-round. In total, about 840 cubic meters of water ice is trapped in the Korolev crater, making it a very important area for exploration and exploitation. Examining the Korolev crater, we have to ask, how did this large reservoir of ice form, and what are the secrets of the history of water on Mars? Is this frost a remnant of the warm and wet weather in March? These questions encourage scientists to continue their research to unlock the secrets of the crater, and may find clues to the existence of the ancient world. The polar caps of Mars are another amazing feature of this planet's surface. They are similar to Earth's polar regions, but with differences that make them very attractive. Made mostly of water ice and carbon dioxide, these ice caps expand and contract with the Martian seasons, a process that creates a dynamic and constantly changing landscape. During the Martian winter, when temperatures drop below 193 degrees Fahrenheit, carbon dioxide dries up in the atmosphere and forms a layer of dry ice on the surface. As warm weather returns, this dry ice will re-enter the atmosphere, producing strong winds that can reach speeds of up to 250 miles per hour. These seasonal changes not only create polar regions, but also cause some of the most extreme weather patterns in the solar system. As we delve deeper into the study of Mars' polar caps, we begin to see the planet as a living, breathing planet, albeit a rocky one at the time. What do these ice regions reveal about the world's climate history? And can they hide evidence of life beneath their scaly faces? These are the questions that future missions will seek to answer and may change our understanding of the red planet. The polar regions of Mars are not only home to ice and cold. They also have some of the world's most spectacular geological formations, such as the Chasma Boreal. Located in the northern hemisphere, this Great Canyon is 348 miles long, 62 miles wide, and plunges nearly a mile deep. A chasma is a special type of storm surrounded by steps that feature layers of dust and water deposits. These layers tell the story of the changing climate around Mars, with periods of warming and cooling that shape the planet's surface over millions of years. Chasma Boreal's size and complexity make it one of the most impressive features on Mars. When scientists study the crater, they piece together the history of the planet's polar regions and look for clues to explain how Martian conditions have changed over time. Could this valley be the key to understanding the secrets of the world's past? What about life potential on Mars? These are the questions that drive our continued exploration and research as we seek to uncover the mysteries hidden in the icy depths of the universe. In 2019, a new crater was discovered on Mars, attracting the attention of scientists and space enthusiasts. This small impact area, just 49 feet in diameter, was created by a galactic rock that crashed into Earth between 2016 and 2019. The crater was captured in stunning detail by the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, which showing rare manifestations of its constant changes. Changing the surface of Mars. The discovery of this new crater raises important questions about the frequency of collisions on Mars and the risk of future activity. It also provides an opportunity to study the new geological features created by these impacts, which can help to understand the structure of the Earth's subsoil. As we continue to explore the surface of Mars, we must be vigilant, knowing that the red planet remains a dynamic and growing world, with surprises waiting around every corner. When NASA's Spirit rover first took pictures of Bonneville Crater in 2004, scientists were eager to learn more about the area, hoping it would provide a window into the formation of Martian rock. However, the 656-foot wide crater did not reveal the secrets they had hoped for. Despite this, the high-resolution images of the Bonneville crater are no less impressive, showing incredible detail of the impact site. Bonneville crater, inside the larger Gusev crater, serves as a reminder of the challenges and uncertainties of Mars exploration. Although not every place can be discovered, each place contributes to our overall understanding of geography and world history. As we continue to explore Mars, we must be prepared for successes and failures, knowing that each step brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of the red planet. Valles Marineris is one of the most spectacular features on Mars and the entire solar system. This massive rift system is more than 2,485 miles long, with parts reaching up to 4 miles deep. Valles Marineris, named for the Mariner 9 spacecraft that first imaged it in the early 1970s, is the third largest rift system in our area of the planet, a small just the conditions of the country. The formation of Valles Marineris is the subject of much discussion among scientists. Previous theories suggest an ancient drainage system built by a mysterious Martian race. However, new research points to a more natural origin, with a rift system possibly formed by tectonic forces and subsequent erosion. The location of the fissures in the active volcanic area of Tharsis suggests that volcanism played an important role in its formation. When we study Valles Marineris, we are not only exploring a natural wonder, but we are also learning about the tectonic and volcanic processes that shaped Mars over billions of years. Olympus Mons is the world's largest volcano, rising more than 13 miles above the surface of Mars. At about 373 miles in diameter, this massive formation is not only the tallest mountain on Mars, but also the largest volcano known to man. Because of its size, Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, is 2.5 feet tall. The size of Olympus Mons raises interesting questions about the world's volcanic history and the forces that shaped its formation. Despite its size, scientists still debate whether the volcano is active or dormant. The low gravity of Mars allows Olympus Mons to grow to large dimensions because the planet's gravity is not strong enough to break a large structure under its weight, like the Earth. By studying Olympus Mons, we hope to gain a better understanding of Martian volcanism and its impact on global terrestrial evolution. Comparing the atmospheres of Earth and Mars, it is quickly seen that the mantle of atmosphere around the red planet is much thinner than the mantle around our planet. In fact, Mars's atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's and is mostly carbon dioxide. This thin atmosphere, combined with Mars' greater distance from the Sun, means that the planet experiences extreme temperature variations, from a balmy 70 degrees Fahrenheit at the equator during the day to a frigid negative 195 degrees Fahrenheit at the poles during winter nights. The thin atmosphere also means that Mars cannot support liquid water on its surface, as the low pressure causes any water to quickly evaporate or freeze. However, scientists believe that Mars may have had a thicker atmosphere in the past, which could have supported stable liquid water and potentially life. Understanding how and why Mars lost its atmosphere is a key question in planetary science, and one that may hold clues to the planet's habitability. The exploration of Mars would not be possible without the tireless efforts of the robotic rovers that have traversed its surface. From the early days of Sojourner to Curiosity, Endurance and more, these rovers have provided invaluable data and images that have changed our understanding of the Red Planet. Each rover mission has its own unique discovery story. Sojourner, the first rover to successfully operate on Mars, provided the first close-up images of the Martian surface and demonstrated the potential of robotic exploration. The twin rovers' Spirit and Opportunity exceeded all expectations by operating beyond their planned lives and making important discoveries such as the location of hematite, which indicates ancient water activity. Curiosity, the largest and most advanced rover to date, has been exploring Gale Crater since 2012, looking for evidence of past habitation. Among the findings are complex organic molecules and traces of ancient lakes and rivers. The Patient, who landed in Jezero Crater in 2021, is looking for signs of past life and collecting samples for return to Earth. The achievements of these Mars rovers are a testament to human intelligence and the pursuit of knowledge. As we look to the future, new missions are being planned that will continue to push the boundaries of what we can achieve on Mars and bring us closer to our ultimate goal of sending people to the Red Army. Mars exploration is still in its infancy, and many challenges remain as we look forward. One of the biggest challenges is the need for human stability in the world. Mars' thin atmosphere, extreme heat and lack of liquid water made it a hostile environment for human life. To overcome these challenges, scientists and engineers are developing new technologies and strategies for sustainable living, building homes and resource utilization. One of the most interesting areas of research is the development of in situ resource utilization, ISRU, technologies, which aim to use natural resources to support human activities. For example, extracting water from the Martian soil and producing oxygen from the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can provide important resources needed for long-term survival. Another important area of research is the development of advanced propulsion systems that can reduce the travel time between Earth and Mars, as well as new techniques for landing and launching spacecraft to the face of the world. These technologies will be essential for future missions, both robotic and human. As we look to the future of Mars exploration, we face challenges and opportunities. The Red Planet has many secrets, and unlocking them requires the hard work of scientists, engineers and explorers. But with each new discovery, we get closer to understanding Mars and our place in the universe.